Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you a simple automation I built with the relay.app automation builder. So what it does, it takes the content of a Notion property in this database and posts it to Bluesky. So yeah, quite useful and quite simple. So here you can see the automation. What it does, it checks the Notion database for a condition. In our case, it's the post to Bluesky column, and if this condition is met, it creates a post on Bluesky with the content of the property, and also updates the page, which means it just moves it into poster to Bluesky. So let's see this one in action. As mentioned before, I created this one with the relay.app automation builder, which is quite easy to use. I put the link down below where you can just check it out and build on your own. Yeah, what we just see here is the automation just ran, and if we now go in our Notion database, we see this one just moved because it got posted to Bluesky, and if we open Bluesky, we can see the little blue dot shows up, and if we click it, we can see, alright, 14 seconds ago, this post was posted, and this post is exactly the content of this Notion property. So yeah, really easy automation, but it's really powerful and useful, and you can combine it with a lot of other automations workflows. For example, the one built into Notion. Yeah, as mentioned before, if you're interested in relay.app, check the link down below in the video description. And if you want to learn how to build such a system on your own, I put a link to my Patreon page down below as well. Thank you so much. Bye.